Problem 3 says, write a number bond in each number sentence to show how to use 10 to subtract. Draw 5 groups and some ones to show each subtraction sentence. So we've got problem A and problem B, and they're already completed for you. What you need to do is you need to write a number bond and draw a picture to show how they use 10 to subtract. I'm going to show you on the first one what that means. So first, I would draw my picture. I think that's what I would do. And remember, when we do 16, we want to think of that as 10 and 6. That's also going to help me draw my picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And then I'm going to circle 10 because just like my number bond shows, I have 10 and 6. So that is my 5 group drawing. I also want to show how they subtracted 8. So I would cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I would cross them out. So that's all I have to do to show a number bond and my 5 groups for this picture. Here is my number bond showing how I use 10 because one of my parts is 10, and here's my picture. So you'll complete this problem just like that. You can use it to help you. And then I want you to try and do this other one, B, all on your own, just like that. Remember, you'll write a number bond where 10 is one part and then draw a picture. Then for C, it wants you to use your pictures and your numbers to explain how both of these subtraction problems equal 8. So the answer for A is 8, and the answer for B is also 8. Down here, I want you to show me using pictures, maybe with the dots that you have left, how they both equal 8.